No, no. Yeah. Show the land. Then see if you can change the camera at the back. Have you gotten it? Okay. See. God bless Biafra, and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Today I want to address the international farmers community. As you can see, in Biafra land we are farmers, and we are having a little issue with the zoo government. Apart from our Biafra struggle, they want to steal our land to give it to the Fulanis free of charge. But we are farmers. As you can see, this is my own farm. This is the last farm I'm going to do this year. I have other farms. What I'm about to do now is I want to spray a chemical that will kill the grasses in this place. This chemical will kill the grasses, they will not dig. So the international community should know that we are not joking. It is I, General Amemon. I have my own farm. This is my own farm. I've cleared it. This is the last farm. But I decided to do it here so that you know we are not joking. When we say we are farmers, we are not joking. We are farmers. That is what we do. And the international community must know this, that we don't have any land to give to the Fulani herdsmen. We don't have land to give to them. We don't have land. I shouldn't be doing this farming manually. I should have a tractor. But instead of them to give loan to farmers, they give loan to herdsmen. But in Biafra, we won't take it. As you can see, all these grasses will not grow again. At least for a long time. Then before I start digging the soil, this is what we do in Biafra land. This is why we cannot give our land to the Fulanis. We can never ever give our land to the Fulanis. Because we are farmers. We need the land to farm. We need the land to farm. That's what we do for our living. We are farmers. If you see how this thing they sweet me for body. This chemical I'm applying now will make it hard for weeds to grow here. After spraying this chemical, this is my own style, I will now dig it. And after digging, I have a chemical fertilizer that I will apply to it. That chemical fertilizer, I will apply it here. So we don't have land to spare. We don't have any land for Fulani. We don't have any land for Fulanis. We are farmers. We need the land to farm. We need the land to farm. At this stage, we should be having tractors. Me, I need the land as big as Imo State. I need the land as big as Southeast to farm. We don't have any land to give to Fulanis. Fulanis should get out of our land. We don't have any land for Fulani herdsmen. We are farmers. We will farm the grass and we will sell the grass to Fulani. Fulani will now buy us the grass and sell their meat to us if we want to buy. We don't have any land for Fulani. Ni na mamu dike na maka muri bia dibia agwo dibia oza agwo area onya ma be onya mo se bare ndo tubu no tuzu ebo area Fulani will not get land for now. We will not get land for now. We are farmers. As you can see me now, I'm clearing. This is my last farm. I'm not a joker. If you are doubting it, come. I will show you the farm. This is my last farm. After clearing this place, look at very small farm. I need something as big as Imo State. If I can have a land as big as California, I will be happy. I love farming. I will grow rice. I will grow beans. I will grow cucumber. I will grow carrot, onion, yam, cocoyam. There's a cocoyam called Eduhe. If you eat that cocoyam, you forget about yam. We have a lot of things. I have so many things to plant. I'm Fulani are trying to take my land to go and rear cattle. Cattle, meat. Can we be eating meat every day? Is meat food? Can somebody wake up in the morning and eat meat, afternoon eat meat? But you eat crop. I'm a farmer. This is my spraying machine. For those who don't know, this is a local, palm wine in Igbo land. We have types of palm wine. You have the raffia palm wine. Let me see if I can see one of it here and show you. If there's anyone around this place, I'll show you the raffia one. There is none here now. There is none here. That is the most common one. That's the most common one. You understand? But we also have other kinds of palm wine. This tree you are seeing here now. This is a palm tree. This is a palm tree. It's also called unku. It's a palm tree. There's some wine you get from this tree. They call it up wine. This is the Igbo unku. When the Igbo say, I want to go and want to go and do traditional marriage, it is this wine that you get from this tree that is being used. Then when the tree is no longer bearing fruit and you decide to cut it down, there's another wine you get. Some places they call it itiala. Like in my place we call it itiala. It's very sugary, very, very sugary. In fact, it is the women that love it most because it's sweeter than Ribena. It tastes like honey mixed with water. all this grass we just wither, so that by in the next 3 days we are coming back here to come and dig it. So Fulani, we are farmers, you understand? We are farmers, we are more mechanized. It's just that government used to give you 200 billion, 300 billion, 1 billion, 2 billion, you understand? And they don't give to us, but we manage the ones we have. But what we cannot tolerate is youth coming to say you want land. We don't have land. Fulani anyengwe gala. Fulani agaha chianyo, anya gekwe. Anya party, egwe wulala now. Fulani is nobody. Nobody cares about them. They should go to Futajalon. There are so many lands there. So I heard though that Futajalon is blessed with so many lands. They should go there and enjoy themselves. Nana, what do you have to say about these Fulani idiots?
The only thing we have to tell them right now is that we don't have land to give them, because we are also farmers. We don't have land to give to Fulani herdsmen.
We don't have land. Maybe
they are deaf and dumb. They don't understand simple English. Okay, let us say it in Igbo. Fulani anyenwega ala. Anyenwega ala ina enyunu. Ala nka enwere nwozu dira ka ofo nke inye mmadu ala. We don't have land. If they want land for grazing, they can go to Futajalon. Not in Biafra land. Fulani has no place in Biafra land. If they want land, they can go to Futajalon and take land. What nonsense. We are not ready to tolerate them. We are farmers. We are farmers and we need the land even more than they do. We need the land. Yes, we need to plant and cultivate our crops. For sure. One idiot from Futajalon is coming to tell us that he needs land in Biafra land for grazing. God will punish them. Also,
front and back.
God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. On ground, okay, on Europe, na church need the nonsense na Facebook. Come down to Biafra land and face the enemies. We don't have land for grazing. We don't have ground for grazing. If they want grazing, they can go to Futajalon. From Isoko to Igbo, to Anang, to Efik, to Ibibio, to Igede, to Ebanke, to Igbo Akere, to Igbo, Idoma, Egala, Urobo, Isoko, Ishekiri. All these lands are Biafra land. And we don't want Islam. And we don't have land for grazing. We don't have land for grazing at all. We are farmers. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great. God bless Mazi Uche Mefo, his second in command. God bless General Chukwumadike Amimon, the General of Biafra Special Military Squad, live on ground. God bless his second in command, General Ezechukwu Phase 2s. God bless all the commanders, Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless all the soldiers, Biafra Special Military Squad. All of us of freedom, may God bless you all. This is Biafra land. We don't have land for grazing. We don't have land for grazing. If they want to graze, they can go to Futajalon. We are farmers. We even need the land more than they do. We don't want nama in this land. We don't want moo. We don't need... If we want to do cow, we have Efibo if we want to do anything cow or meat. Biafra land is not for Islam. Biafra land is not for grazing. Biafra land is not for grazing.
Hello?
God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad.
I'll call you back later.
Support Biafra and support Biafra Special Military Squad. We need more land. More and more land. If we can see a land big as Imo province, Abia province, Enugu province, and Anambra province.
We need land.
We need land. We need land. We need more land.
We need land. Fulani, we don't get land. Fulani, please, I want that Futajalon. I want to land in Futajalon. Can't you give me land in Futajalon? I want to go and rear pig in Futajalon. Fulani, give me land in Futajalon. If you you think I'm not good, or yeah, you give me land in Futajalon. I want land in Futajalon, Fulani. Give me land there.
Simple. Nigeria is a zoo and the zoo has fallen. The zoo has fallen and Biafra is rising. We don't have land to give the Fulanis. We don't have land to give them. The land we have is not even enough for us. We even want more land so that we can grow our crops. So that we can grow our crops. You understand? This is Biafra Special Military Squad on ground. It's not about sitting on Facebook and making noise. Come on ground. Join Biafra Special Military Squad. Anemehem Pianya here. We are live and direct. We are just trying to tell the Fulanis that we don't need them in our land. We don't even have land to give them. One single land.
We don't get land. Okay, look at me. My farm is not even from just look at it. Small farm. We don't have land. We don't have land. How much more to give somebody? I would have loved to farm in that place, but there's a house there now. Eh? We don't have land here, Fulani. We don't have land. I need land in Futajalon. I need land in Kano. I need the Fulanis to give me like 6 local governments in Kano. I want 6 local governments in Kano, 6 local governments in Kaduna, 6 local governments in Kebbi, 7 local governments in Zamfara, because that's a farming place. In fact, 8 local governments in Zamfara. I want them to give to me. I will do a very wonderful work there, more than all those farmers there are doing. I need 8 local governments in Zamfara. I need in Kebbi, even in Kwara. I need in Kwara State. I need lands all over the whole north for my farming. We don't have land to give. Oh. The government has given you 100 billion. 100 billion. And yet you still want my land again. Please, the international community, may I use the opportunity to address you in the language I know you understand. We are genuine and civilized farmers, but we don't have farming implements. We only use our to do our little farming. We don't have land, and the little land we have in states that the Fulanis are eager to take. We are asking you, the international community of farmers, you can invest too. You can invest. Invest in Biafra land and farm. We have a very good weather. We have a very good land for farming. We have very good rain. So you can invest. So I'm urging you, the international community, to come and invest in farm, in Biafra land. Because we have a very good land. You understand?
A land filled with milk and honey.
So you can come and invest here in farming activities. And be rest assured that you make your profit. But it won't be this kind of farming that I'm doing. It will be a mechanized farming. Mechanized, advanced mechanized farming. Latest in the mechanized farming whatsoever. We need mechanized farming. I shouldn't be using manual labor to do this spraying of chemicals, herbicides. Because this chemical kills herbs. All these weeds.
We are farmers and we need the land. We are farmers and we need the land.
Did you hear how children just called my name now? Even if you didn't hear it, go and play it back again. You hear when they call me Brother Chukuma. That's to show that I'm staying in my own place. Are you hearing me? We are not acting it. We are not trying to show you, impress you. This is my own farm. In fact, this land belongs to my maternal grandfather. My grandmother divided it into two, gave me half. That I should farm here this year. That's to show you how real we are. We are not playing tricks. We are not acting it. We are farmers. We need the land. And go to Futaja. I need the land in Futajalon to rear pig. I want to rear pig in Futajalon. After all, you can come and build your mosque here. I should also be allowed to rear pig in Futajalon too. Good luck. Umu school. Una laula. Eh? My one. Okay. Ngwan bye eh? But if Fulani does not want to leave our land, they should be our guests. Anyhow, they want and we day. They want and killing we day. They want and fight we day. Anything they want bring we day. Fulani, it's either you live here peacefully or you live here in pieces. The land belongs to us. We cannot share the land. We will grow grass and sell to you. You will not sell your cow to us. Pure business. Nobody cheating anybody. You hear me?
Somebody will come from Futajalon. Somebody will come from all the way from Futajalon, cross all the forest there, and come down to Biafra land to look for land to give to his cow. Thunder. Thunder, what are you waiting for? Thunder. Hey! Amadia, what are you waiting for to strike some people dead? You want a land in Biafra land so that you can do grazing. Thunder fire all of you. From Abakari to Mamandaura to Erufai.
Buhari, get out.
Jubril.
Oh, Jubril, who are you? Who know you? I don't give a fuck about you, Jubril. I don't give a fuck about you. You are a fucking Wahhabi. Fuck you and your fucking everything, man. Who are you? Get in here. You want to carry my land and give it to Fulani herdsmen? To come and do what? If I say, I will kill you. Kill who? Who if you kill? Come on, backward, you dirty Fulani idiot. You are bright. Before the election, Buhari, who are you? Before the election, Buhari, which power you get? You don't have any power. The power where you get that when they hand over the resources of Nigeria into your hand, hand over the arms into your hand, you begin to make mouth, they brag like say, let's come and get out, Buhari, or nothing. Nothing. We would dismantle you. Biafra Special Military Squad will dismantle you. We will reduce you to nothing. I didn't hear you.
Jubril Buhari.
But you're nobody. And you continue to be a nobody. I didn't hear you. You can never take our land. You can never take our land and give it to Fulani herdsmen. You don't feel walk.
It's not possible.
If you like, let the whole senators become Fulani. Let the whole senators become Fulani. If you like, let every senator become Fulani. Let every senator become every house of member Fulani. All the armies are Fulani. All the police are Fulani. All the air force are everything are Fulani. No care. All we know, we say Buhari, you can never take this land away from us. Buhari, you can never take our land away from us. It's not possible. You can never take our land away from us, Buhari. You know if you do it. You know point you well.
Jubrin Aminu al-Sudani, the impostor from Sudan. Me, I call him Jubrin Buhari.
Buhari na your guy name. It's not as if it's your name. Now the guy name we then give you. We will know your name. Buhari is your guy name. So if they call you Buhari, it be like now, make person saying be Trump. Trump is a guy name to him. We know who is the Trump. So when we call you Buhari, no people say we say we not say you be Jubrin. I just say we could just call him for the sake of calling sake. I should have a borehole close by this place now. I'm running short of water. You can see it's no longer flowing the way it used to flow before. The water is reduced. But if I can get water now, I have to trek down to this place and go and bring water. You see? Those things are not there. But the Fulanis, they keep giving them billions. None of them have created a cattle ranch in Kano. Ganduje, the governor of Kano State, Ganduje called a lot of you. Come back home, let me give you a place where you can create your grazing reserve. You refused because you don't want the land. All you want is to destroy the southeast. You will never, ever destroy the southeast. They don't burn you well.
Mborogwe Shirila. We don't have any land for grazing. We don't have any land for grazing. We are farmers, we need the land. We don't have any land for grazing. If you want to graze, go to Kano, go to Kaduna, go to Kastena, Zamfara, Borno, Futajalon, go there and do your grazing, not here.
Before we can get water, we need to go down. I'm just showing you how real we are. It's not stage managed. We just came to farm today to come and spray chemical. God bless Biafra.
God bless Biafra Special Military Squad.
A day is coming when our flag will fly. They're going to see me, they fly. No be child's play. It's not bent. Let me show you the chemicals I'm mixing. A lovely flag.
This is Biafra land, not Fulani land. Whoever who wants to do grazing should go to the north. Don't come here and do grazing. No place for grazing here. I won't do.
These are the two chemicals I'm mixing for effective result. This one is Ultra Force. This is the best you can get in the market here. And this one is Glyphosate.
We are farmers, so we are farmers.
I mix them so that I can have an effective result in the land here. So that the remaining weeds will just die off. In 3 days' time, we are coming here to come and dig. We come and dig it. I'm going to grow groundnut here. This whole farm, I'm going to grow groundnut here. And after I harvest the groundnut, I'm going to put cassava. You understand? I'm going to put a little corn here too. A little corn, because we don't have land. If I should grow only groundnut here, I'll be lacking corn. The corn that I'm going to grow is not for sale, it's for consumption, because it's a little, you know, because we don't have land. If I had land, I will grow corn everywhere. See, we don't have land. The Fulanis don't want to. The little land we will get, the Fulanis still want to collect up from us. It's unfair. The international community is unfair. Yeah? It's very, very unfair. But if they want to come without their open eye, they can be our guests. They can be our guests. We don't care. We don't care. And if they think they know how to kill, which we like killing, you know, if they think they can kill our people so that we will now become intimidated, which we like killing, we will kill and they will also become intimidated. You understand? Show them the farm.
We don't have farm for Fulanis. We don't have farm for Fulanis. This is Commander Nana speaking live and direct from Biafra land. We are in Biafra land, we are on ground, marking our land bomber to bomber. We can never allow Fulanis to take over our land. Impossible. It's not possible to allow Fulani to take our land. We are farmers and we need this farm to grow our crops. We need all this land to grow our crops. We need it. No place for Fulani in this land. Nothing for them in this land. Nothing for the headsmen. This land is not for